He's 31 years old, ranked number 5 in the world. Max Hartung, 6 years younger, 25 years old, world ranked number 9.
Payman Fakhri, our referee for this match. And we had a message earlier in the day from Dominic Cortis, part of the German press contingent here, and he had an interesting fact.
Yeah, well, this is Max Hartung's it will be his first individual medal at a World Championships. Of course, he was part of the team that won the 2014 team event in Kazan last year. Yakimenko has had individual medals here in the World Championships. In Kazan, he was the bronze medalist, and going back to 2005, he also won a bronze in the individual. Been a world champion as a team fencer in 2011, 2010 and 2005 in Leipzig.
A little bit of a tentative start here for Max Hartung, do you think?
Well, he's up against a 4-time European individual champion in Alexei Yakimenko, so you're not gonna go rushing in and blow it all in the first period. Interesting season for both of these fencers. Yakimenko's had a couple of bronze medals in the Budapest World Cup and the European Fencing Championships in Montreux a few weeks back. Max Hartung, he was the silver medalist at the European Championships and had a bronze in the Madrid World Cup. So for them, you know, they're still 5th and 9th in the world, but perhaps not so many medals this season.
Payman Fakhri over to speak to Max Hartung. He surrenders his weapon. And it will take on a new one. And a conversation there between Hartung and Vasyl Malenchev. And no separation there. And Alexei Yakimenko cruising.
Well, Yakimenko's called for a video here. It'd be interesting to see the replay of this one, because it appeared as if it was the same decision as well a couple of hits ago. They both jump in, they both jump out, and then they finish. We have a little replay here. Payman Fakhri comes back and gives a simultaneous call, so Yakimenko has lost a video appeal.
Preparation, Hartung, and he has been shown a card.
Taking his mask off, perhaps being a little bit overzealous with his appeal. Payman Fakhri is a jolly, decent gentleman, and he expects the fencers to reciprocate, and if they don't, he's quite within his rights to show a yellow card. But you can understand Maximilian Hartung's frustrations, 6-0 down and seemingly unable to get into this fight at all.
And the call will stand.
Payman Fakhri just checking the score's correct, and it is. There's a meeting of the blades. Who does he give it to? He gives it to Yakimenko. And I think that the German coach he accepts that decision, but the frustration is boiling over here, and it's 8-0 going into the break. Yakimenko basically has 1 foot over the line into the gold medal match.
Well, we go to this 1-minute break, and You've got to have a lot of sympathy here for Max Hartung. I mean, Alexei Yakimenko is Alexei Yakimenko. He is fencing like a champion. And Hartung has got to find a way to overcome his frustration and get some points on the board.
There needs to be a bit more variety in his fencing for a start. Yakimenko is perfectly happy with dealing with attack after attack after attack. For me, there's almost a little wry smile on Max Hartung's face there as he chats to his coach, the national team coach for Germany, Vilmos Szabo, the father of one of their fencers, yeah. And of course, see Christian Bauer at the other end chatting. Well, I think they probably were talking about what they're going to have for dinner tonight.
Well, Szabo has coached the German team to World Championship last year and European Championship this year, but Max Hartung has got his work cut out for him.
Well, Yakimenko was ready for that. I said that he's going to be able to deal with attack after attack after attack. It's not going to work from Hartung if he keeps doing the same thing over and over again. He needs to change. Saying that, he has scored a hit on the attack.
Hartung's gotten 2 on the board now. Can he keep it going? Parry riposte, Alexei Yakimenko.
One-way traffic, and at the moment the crowd are pushing him over the line as well. He's even getting the lucky ones, the Russian. Oh, that's nice. That's better. Some variety being shown. Stepping in, closing the distance up, trying to draw the counter-attack from Yakimenko. Prise defer the blade. That means beating the blade, establishing the right of way, and then cracking him one over the top.
Can't find the blade. And Yakimenko now 3 away from the gold medal match.
Yeah, Hartung showing the variety that I was talking about earlier on, but a little too late, I'm afraid. It's just a matter of time before we are saying Yakimenko will be fencing for gold later on. There is Coach Szabo barking instructions at Max Hartung.
That one together.
Parry riposte again. I hate to say it because, you know, we know these guys well, but at the moment this is just a little too one-dimensional from German, and Yakimenko is able to deal with it. As soon as he shows a bit of variety just like that, Hartung gets the hit.
Now, Hartung with a mighty whack there on Yakimenko, who definitely felt that hit. And that will do it, Alexei Yakimenko of Russia. We've got a video review called here.
Yeah, it's not surprising that he called for a video review at, if he's going to lose. If he's got one left, he might as well give it a go and hope the video gods are on his side.
And that will do it. Alexei Yakimenko into the gold medal match. He will face Daryl Homer, and that will be coming up in just a bit. But first, we've got to crown a new world champion. In women's sabre. So we'll take a moment to gather ourselves together, get ready for that gold medal match. Don't go away. We'll be back with more. This is the FIE Fencing Channel live presentation of the 2015 World Fencing Championships coming to you from Moscow. David King and Karen Bashir.